All right, Nick. Let's have a look at the problem that you're having. My guess, based on your email, is that you're probably trying to do too much at once and not really reading the prompts properly, or maybe just understanding the different steps. So here's the circle plate. So if we want to get that dimension and the node in there, let's take this in steps. So first we go to the linear dimension, and we pick the endpoint here with object snaps, right? And then we're going to pick the endpoint here with object snaps, and that's going to establish where the extension line goes. And we can drag it up like this. Now, at this point, I want to place the dimension, right? And notice that I can drag it out, right? I can relocate the number, the dimension text at any point, um, even after I place the dimension. Okay, so that's important because oftentimes you do have to relocate the dimension after the fact. Okay, so let's place that right there. Now I want to add that 5x multiplier node. So to do that, I'll double click on the text portion of it, and you'll see the cursing blinker. Excuse me, the cursing, the blinking cursor. Holy cow! The blinking cursor in front of the 0.833. So that tells me where the cursor is, which is good. So I'll make sure caps lock is on, and I'm going to hit 5x space. Okay. Now, if I hit enter at this point, it's going to go to another line. Well, I don't want that. So here you have to understand that normally AutoCAD interprets an enter key press as a execute the command, as a finish the command. Here, because we're in a text editor, enter is like it would be in a text editor, literally start a new line. So, and you see where the cursor is. So if I hit enter, it's going to start a new line right there. Well, so I'm going to use backspace to go back. So that's not what I want to do. To end a text editor uh, uh, command sequence or whatever, we have to go up here to close text editor, right? Now, that finishes that, but look, that's not what I want, right? So how do I fix this? Well, here again, notice that it says select annotation object or on my dynamic input. So if I come over here, it's going to go back in there. That's not what I want, right? So here, this is where you have to read the prompts and understand that I'm done with dimension editing. So I'm going to hit the escape key to get out of that. And now I want to go to edit the location of the dimension with grips, right? So I'm out of the dimension command. I click on the object. I get the grip boxes, right? I want to pick the center grip, which is going to be the grip controlling the text, and then I can just slide it to the side. And then I hit escape a couple times to get out of that. Okay, so let me do that again. All right, so let's get rid of this whole thing. So we go up to linear, and I'll talk you through it. We go up to linear, pick the endpoint, place the text. All right, we're out of the text, we're out of the dimension command. You can see there's no command prompt or AutoCAD's not asking me for anything. Now I'm going to go over and double click on the dimension text. It opens the text editing window. I check to see where the cursor is. It's in the correct location. I hit 5x space, and then I don't hit enter. I close the text editor. And now I'm still in the text editing command, right? You can see that on the command prompt, right? So I need to get out of that. So I hit escape. Now I'm out of it. I click on that and I get the text, the dimension grips. And now I just want to position my cursor over the center grip, which controls the location of the text. And I'm going to click with the left mouse button, and then I can drag it wherever I want, right? And let's just say I want it right there. And then I hit escape a couple times to get out of that. All right, so I hope that answered your question or solved your problem. By the way, you can email either myself or JC. We're kind of tag teaming the class at this point, so either way. All right, so let me know if you have any other questions. Alrighty, bye.